Whoa. Now she's a little bit above me, a little bit, so. Well, she just needs to put some weight on. Whoa. What happened? Whoa, 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 whoa. What happened right here? You got a cut. See a cut right there. Shit. Okay, I'm gonna have to fix it. Come here. Come here. Let's go over here for a minute. Let's walk around a little bit. Whoa. No running. No running. I can't see her other side. So, anyway, that's what she looks like. I guess this thing's still running. Yeah. See if I can get her to walk the other way. Sarah. Whoa. Here. Stay here for a minute. I'm going to see if you'll go the other way for me. Hold on. Hold on. See if you'll go this way. Whoa. She won't go the other way for me. Come here. Alright, come here. Can you go the other way for me? I don't mind this halter. It seems like maybe I can control a little bit more, but the lead rope's not that long. It ties in there, so. Come here. Whoa. So I can't really get her other side. And I guess her mane lays either way. That's a good girl. That's well. But she definitely needs to put some weight on. The alfalfa will help her. They're just going to give her 2 flakes with Coastal because she has to get used to Coastal. But unfortunately, the Coastal hay that I didn't see, it's all flat on the ground. So I have a feeling that it's time for them to get another round bill of Coastal out in the pasture. So hopefully when she goes out on the 1st, they will have a round bill of Coastal out there. Okay, come here. Come here. I don't know why she didn't call that Ralph guy. He's got a 1,300 pound bill, $75. I think the one she had out there was only about 800 pounds. Don't step on that, sweetie. I think she needs to be exercised. I don't know if they let her out in the paddock today or not. Come here. Slow down. Slow down. She definitely wants to walk ahead of you, so come here. I guess you and I need to go for a jog. Whoop, whoop. Watch the rock. Watch the rock. Watch the rock. Need a little sunshine. I don't know if they let him out today. I didn't ask. I forgot to ask. I'm going to see if I can get on the other side of her. She'll probably walk in front of me. Anyway, she's got a cut here. I need to try to doctor her. Medicine's in the truck. See, if I try to go around her, she's going to... Whoa, come here. She needs a little obedience. Maybe she's just has anxiety issues. I don't know. But her legs don't look bad. When she was standing in the stall, maybe she was a little stowed up, but she's a little bit more straightened out on her rear hocks, it looks like. I think. I just don't like that cut right there. I don't know if a horse bit her there recently or what happened to that, but it needs to be cleaned. And I guess what's her name didn't bathe her before she was loaded in the trailer. I'd bathe her, but I don't know how she's going to act over there at the wash rack, so I'm not going to even mess with it today. So, she's a little too frisky. As far as rinsing her off at the wash rack, I don't know. A little windy out, but maybe I could rinse her off. I just don't know how she would stand still enough. And with the breeze, I don't know if it'd be a good idea or not. Come over here, Sarah. Come here. You don't have to go anywhere. You're good. You're good. Just stay there. Anyway, she needs a bath. Come here, Sarah. She seems to walk okay. I don't know. She seems fine. So, just need to clean her. Maybe she just rolled in the stall and got dirty. I have no idea. That stall's pretty wet from them not letting her out, I guess, for a few days. I don't know if they let her out today. There would be grass out here if they didn't mow. Come here. Where are you going? Where are you going? Come here. I'll give you some carrots in a minute. Come here. I almost got her a purple halter, but I thought maybe blue might look nice because Illustrato had those ear covers that were navy blue, and they look good on him. Come here, Sarah. Sarah. I think your food's coming. Where are you going? Come here. Come here. Well, let's go get some food. Your food's coming. It's okay. Your food's coming. Yeah, your food's coming. Come on. That's good, girl. Let's go get some food. I'll put this up there. Wait a minute. Stay there. Stay there, sweetie. Come here. Let me get your food. Just go right there. Okay, quit rubbing on me. You want to put that in here?
Yeah,
Quit. She likes to have her face scratched. I need to give her a bath, but I don't think I'm going to do it today. Uh-oh.
Mel, be good.
He's just Max. He don't have any yet. Oh, man. There's a baby. There's a baby. I don't know if anybody's going to chew on that if I leave it there. Let me put this sock block. In here so she can chew on this.